Good evening, and here is a review of how to multiply up to 4-digit by 1-digit multipliers. We have 3 ways we're going to talk about: standard, area model, and distributive property. We're going to use the problem 84 times 6 to represent each of these 3 different strategies. Well, standard algorithm says to take 84 times 6. Step 1 says to multiply 6 times 4 equals 24. Well, as we know, we can't put 2 digits into one place value. So we bring down the 4 and we carry a plus 2 into the tens. Step 2, 6 times 8 tens equals 48, plus the 2 we had on top equals 50. So the product of 84 times 6 equals 504 using the standard algorithm. Now with the area model, we're going to use the same problem. We'll start off by drawing a rectangular box. Doesn't have to be proportionate, just has to be as close to it as possible. We're going to section this problem into tens and ones, referring back to the place value we have spent a month on. Here, I divided my rectangle to what 84 might look like. Remember, this is a scale drawing, it's not an accurate drawing. So we break apart 84 into tens plus ones, which is 80 plus 4. The other side of the array, of the area model, or array, as students learned in 3rd grade, is the number 6. So within this first section of the area model, it has 6 times the 80. And we saw this out. Now the shortcut for mental math is to simply bring down the 0 into the product and then multiply 6 times 8, which is 48, which 6 times 80 equals 480. Now the last part of the area model is lined up with the 6 horizontally and the 4 vertically. So this part of the area model is 6 times 4, which is 24. Now once we have multiplied both parts of the area model, we come back over here and we add 480 plus 24 using the standard algorithm for addition. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 0. We can't put it, actually it's 10, but we can't bring down 2 digits, so we carry 1 plus 1. And then 4 plus 1 more is 5. So as you can see, with the standard algorithm and the area model, they both equaled 504. Now the last method of our problem is the distributive property, which utilizes expanded form of our larger number. So 84 times 6, which really is going to equal 80 plus 4. Now to write this, we have 6 times 80 plus 4. So the distributive property says that you're going to share 6 times with each part of the expanded form in the number 84. So 6 gets to multiply 80 times 6, and 6 also gets to multiply 4. 4 times 6. And again, we still multiply again. 4 times 6 is 24. Mental math, bring down the 0. 8 times 6 is 48. And then we add the 2 parts. Since this was expanded form, we decomposed it into an addition expression. And now, once we have multiplied the 2 parts, we add the 2 parts back together. Using the standard algorithm for addition. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10, but again, we can't bring down 2 digits. So we bring down the 0 and carry the plus 1. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, if you may have noticed, the area model and the distributive property strategy are very similar because they are both utilizing expanded form. The only difference is the area model is using a rectangular array to assist with the multiplication as a visual picture for students. And here is the video is complete for how to utilize standard algorithm, area model, and distributive property to multiply a 2-digit by 1-digit number. P.S. Please note that these 3 strategies can also work for a 3-digit by 1-digit and a 4-digit by 1-digit.